Alright, hey there guys. So, anyways, today I'm back to my fishing channel. I haven't posted in a while, so I'm finally posting in a long time. And anyways, so soon, before you guys do anything, I need to let you know I'm gonna be doing a Walmart challenge, $10 Walmart challenge, where I go to Walmart and I spend $20. If you guys don't believe me, this blue rod right here.
Porque le arrancó un
This
pedazo a
blue
este.
rod right here. See, if you don't believe me, it's a Zebco slingshot. It was literally only like $11. So there's the $20, and I only have $9 left about. But anyways, I also spend 84 cents on this little spinner bait that it's really good, I think, personally. I almost caught a catfish on it recently. It's like a little jig, but also spins, you know what they do. Anyways, that's what I have on this. But anyways, this video is just, I'm going to be showing you all my lures that I need you guys to know about, and a good fishing knot. First of all, I have a Berkley Digger, which it's really good. It's like brand new because I just got it. And I also have a Berkley Flicker Shad, which this is like amazing lure, just amazing. And then we also have a popper that's just really good. It's by Rebel. And then we have another popper by Rebel. And another popper by Rebel. This little guy comes in a pack with these little guys. Let me show you. It comes in a pack of 4 with that little gray popper. It comes with this little cricket guy. See? It comes with him. And then that's the 3. And then it also comes with this little guy, which I like. He's a crawdad, but I like to call them platypuses just because I do. Those are those 4. And then I got my hooks, but here's one of my really good lures. Amazing lure. It's just really good. It swims side to side. It's just amazing. I think it's from Yozuri, I'm not sure, but then we have the best lure in the world. Personally, I think that's what I think. My best lure that I have too is this one. Little sardine guy. Looks like a sardine. He's so good. Bass and saltwater. Holy crap. You catch like mackerel on this, Spanish mackerel, all the time. And then you can also get like largemouth bass on this. Crazy. And he was $20. He's Yozuri. He's just so good. I got a couple jig heads. And then I also got my little guy, caught a largemouth bass on, 2-pounder. This little guy. He's pretty decent, but he's okay. He's just like a little setup I put on a jig head, Then we got this worm. It's amazingly good, like really good. Like when I say good, I mean good, like good. See, you can tell. And then it's got this little spinning thing. It spins in the water when it swims. So it goes like this, and that thing will be swimming while this is like going like that. It just looks amazing. It's a good worm. Then we got my worm that's already hooked. Caught a 3-pound largemouth bass on this worm at a lake. I don't know the name of the lake, but it was a pretty good lake. I got a little salamander. I mean, these are my main lures, but I have way more. And I'm also giving out a free lure if I get 100 subscribers. So I'm hoping I get that soon. I just started this channel a couple weeks ago. I barely posted videos, so yeah. And I hope when I show that largemouth bass video this weekend, I get the likes and the subscribers that I've been wanting for a long time. Anyways, this is one of my good worms, trusty old friend. This is like a frog, supposedly. This is an actual frog. It's really good. I put like a little split shot up here. It works so good. And I got my little bluegill for bass. I've never really tried it, but I think it looks good, so I gotta try it eventually. Anyways, this weekend I'm going bass fishing with my blue rod and my other setup. And I'm gonna use bluegill, live and dead bluegill. And this is one of my best worms of all. And then here comes the Gambler brand. Amazing worm action. It just amazing action in the water. It's pretty good. I almost had a bass, but it came off. I just trust that worm. It's just good. This I like to use because it just seems good for bass because it is. I had a bite on it. I mean, I've only used it once. And this is another minnow for that little right here. Little spinner bait. This minnow is just if I lose that minnow, so I have an extra minnow. I have 2 actually, just in case if I lose some. And then the best worm I have of all worms is this one. I caught a bass on it. It was about 4 pounds. Pretty much. This one. It's just amazing. I love this worm. It's just amazing brand. Everything about it is it's just good. I just don't know what to say. But anyways, those are all my favorite and main lures I use. I have a lot more, guys, I can show you, which one day I'll show you all of them. Just one big video to show you all of them. But anyways, we gotta get to the knot, so let's get to it. Alright guys, I hope you can see this. This video might end, so I'll continue the knot, but I doubt it will. So I'm just gonna tie it. See, you put it through the hole, always. This is trusty worthy knot. Even if you catch a 12-pound bass at a hole, I swear. I got this from it's from famous people, so just trust me, it does not. You take this, take the tip of this, go like this, and then put it over here. Then you put this inside. Do you see? Look, so there's this extra line. You put this inside, and then you go like this. You see it again? Then you put this inside. And then if it's too short, then you do that. And then you have more. And then all you do is you do that 12 times. It's the best knot. You'll see how good it is. Just literally do that 12 times, see? Just take this, put it in the circle, take it out, and I do it again. That's all you guys do. Like, literally. It's a simple knot, so you guys should not mess up. I hope you don't. Once I do this 12 times, I'll be right back. Then guys, it should look like that. And then all you do is take it. And take this, pull on it. I just need to pull it harder. Perfect. This is what it should look like. It should look like whirls and swirls. It should look like a big swirl up. If it can concentrate one sec. See. I don't know if you guys can see that really good, but it should be all swirled up like that. That's how it should look like. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoy the next videos I make. Please leave a like below, and I hope to see you next time. Bye. Oh, wait. Let's rewind that. You guys should cut off the extra line. Always cut off the extra line. And I'm actually serious this time. Hope to see you next time, and bye. Bye, guys.